Welcome to the installation of Fishbone off-road storage bins for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep JK 2-door Wrangler. Step 1. The JK can be purchased unmodified with either a hardtop or softtop. Hardtop models are equipped with retaining nut plates, and softtop model tub rails are left empty. If you have nut plates, simply place the appropriate bin over the inner two tub rail bolt holes. If your hardtop is on, first remove the inner two T40 Torx bolts. Lift the top with one hand and slide the bin in between the tub rail and the plastic with the other. For soft top models, with the top on or off, place the bin over the inner two bolt holes. Step 2. With two of the included hardtop knobs and washers, or your factory Torx bolts, secure the bins to the rail along with your hardtop. For soft top models, secure the bin with two knobs, 4 washers, and 2 hex nuts. Repeat on the opposite side. Once all the hardware has been secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone off-road storage bins.